Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the tastiest chicken sauce ever. Okay, so the first thing I've done is to soak the frozen chicken in water and salt, and then these are all the ingredients we are using. I'm just showing you guys. Everything is on the screen, everything is in the description box as well. So we're going to be spicing the chicken. We just spiced it, let it marinate for like 30 minutes. In fact, I let it marinate until I was done chopping all the ingredients I need, preparing everything. Look how beautiful these vegetables look. When you're making any food with all these bell peppers and other veggies, it's so nice to see. Anyway, the first thing is to put margarine in a pot. We're going to fry all the veggies, yeah, and using butter enhances the flavor, so you can use groundnut oil as well.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love.
So when you've added all the veggies, you just need to fry it for about 2 minutes. Like, you can legit see the juice, and that's with the help of the margarine and then the veggies too. Like, it's just so juicy. You can perceive the sweet aroma. Everything will just be going so beautifully well. So the veggies were fried for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that was set aside. So in the same pan, we're just going to put in some margarine, and we're going to sear this chicken. Now, searing is done on medium to high heat. We're going to add the potatoes as well. That's the Irish potatoes. We're just trying to get it to brown. That's what searing is. So now you can see that the chicken and the potatoes have browned a bit. We're just going to add in other veggies. We're going to add in water. Now remember, this sauce recipe, we're not using corn flour. We're not using any manner of flour for thickening. So just keep watching to see what we're going to use. So we're going to spice again. You have to taste for salt and all of that. Spice again, and then we added the boiled eggs, the spring onions, more onions. Yeah, this, the way we make this, you can tell that we're building up flavors. We're trying to build up the taste. See, more margarine. This is enhancing flavor, enhancing taste. So now you're going to see me adding these mashed potatoes. I just mashed about 2 slices, and that was it. That's enough to thicken the curry sauce. Now, you guys, if you try this, let me know, because this was so tasty. I'll see you guys in my next video.